Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how to install custom watch faces on your Apple Watch in 2025. Now this is actually a very easy process. You can get some amazing custom watch faces on your Apple Watch, make it look really different, and of course stand out from other Apple Watches. Now you can install some pretty cool watch faces like Rolex, maybe Tag or G-Shock or Casio. Anything you can think of, all the cool watch brands, you can find them and of course have those amazing watch faces installed on your Apple Watch. Now to do that, all you have to do is just install this free app called Clockology. You can install it from the App Store. Of course, I will leave it linked right down below in the description of the video. Now the app is very simple to use. You install it, but you also make sure that you have it installed on your Apple Watch. For that, of course, you need to have your Apple Watch connected to your iPhone, and then if you don't see the app installed on your Apple Watch, make sure you go to the Watch app, and from here under My Watch, just go ahead and scroll down the list of apps. Under Installed on Apple Watch, you should have the app right here. If it's not, then you will find it right here where it says Installed. You tap right there and you're good to go. In a few seconds, you will have the app installed on your Apple Watch. Now, once you have done that, it's time for you to get the Apple Watch watch faces. But the ones on the app here are pretty cool, but I will show you guys how to find some even better ones. Now first of all, let's take a look at these. So you can find here a ton of cool like Apple Watch faces. You can go ahead and just tap on one of them that you like. The process of installing them is very easy, so you can just go ahead and basically tap an install button and it will directly send it to your Apple Watch. So you will have that sync button, and just like that, in a few seconds you will basically have it installed on your Apple Watch, as easy as that. But let me show you guys how to find the real cool watch faces for your Apple Watch. On the app, right here on the home screen at the top, you will see this list of like social sites. You can just go ahead and tap on the first one. It will take you to the app's Telegram, the official one, where the community posts different watch faces that you can get for your Apple Watch. Tap right here, it will take you to Telegram. And once you're here, this is what you will see. This is basically the chat here for Clockology and the cool watch faces. You can just go ahead and discover here a ton of different cool watch faces that you can get for your device. Like you can see right here some really cool ones. Now what you can also do is search for anything specific that you want. You just tap right there on the name. You will have a search button where you can search for anything you want here, and you will find some really amazing watch faces for your Apple Watch. Now once you find one that you actually like, to install it to your device, all you have to do is just tap right here. So you can see the preview of the watch face. Then you can just tap right here, wait for it to download like that, tap to open it, and then tap the share button. Now right here you will have the Clockology app. If you don't see it, just go ahead and tap on more, and then go to edit right here, and then make sure that you have it enabled, and it will show on the list right here. Now once you're done with that, again, all you have to do is just tap on the app's icon, and now you will see it right here. Tap on the sync button, and again, just like the first one, you will see here in a few seconds, it will display on the app. So let's just wait there for it to sync. It shouldn't take long at all, and we should have now a new watch face on our Apple Watch. So there you go. This one took a bit longer than usual, about 15 or 20 seconds, but it has now displayed, and now we can just go ahead and use it as the watch face and make the watch, actually the Apple Watch, look totally different. Now another thing you need to know here is that this is basically an app and it works like an app, but your watch will stay here, and even when it turns off the screen you will go back to this watch face. But for that to work, you will actually need to go to your Apple Watch and then head on here to the settings. Go to your settings and go to general, and then right here just find return to clock. Tap right there and make sure you have selected after 1 hour, and then your Apple Watch will stay there and it actually looks really awesome. Now this app does work similar to the watch faces that you have on the default ones that you have on your Apple Watch. You can tap here and hold if you want to switch between different watch faces that you have installed previously. So I can just go ahead and swipe like this and select a new watch face. So that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and of course subscribe for more videos, and I will see you on the next one.